Hello friends, my name is Chetan Vadadia and today I am going to do analysis of class 10th maths basic papers basic sample question paper 2019-20. So before starting that, let me tell you I am also on Unacademy as Chetan Vadadia, where I am teaching NTSC students, where or I am helping them to prepare for NTSC exams. So you can also join me on Unacademy. My name is Chetan Vadadia there, and you can use this referral code Galaxy Coaching so that you will get 10% discount on that. Okay, now moving towards the analysis. So you can see I had prepared one chart of or you can say blueprint of that basic math sample paper. We will start from chapter 1, 3 questions of 1 mark, from chapter 1 only 1 question of 3 marks, so total 6 marks from chapter 1. And from chapter 2 you can see 2 questions of 1 mark, 1 question of 2 mark, 1 question of 3 mark. So 3 plus 2 plus 2 7, total 7 marks, you can see it here. So this way from chapter 3 one question of 1 mark, and you can see I had bifurcated. You can take the picture of that and you can see one by one all the chapters I had done here. So please see to that, and you can see I had prepared. You can see from chapter 8 you can see 4 questions are there of 1 mark, and then 1 question of 2 mark, 1 question of 3 marks, so total 9 marks from chapter 8. So I was expecting that they are going to ask more questions from trigonometry for basic also and for standard also. This you have to keep in mind. And for all other chapters everything is same, but here they had reduced for mean median mode and they had increased for probability. You can see for 14 chapter only 1 question of 1 mark and 1 question of 4 marks, so 5 marks. And for probability 2 question of 2 marks and 2 question of 2 question of 1 mark and 2 question of 2 marks, so total 6 marks. So they had increased marks in trigonometry and they had reduced marks in statistic, increased in probability. So these small changes they had done. Actually this is good for basic type students because they had increased marks in probability. Now let me go to the paper. From paper you will get many things. Now moving towards the paper, you can see from the first MCQ directly I can say HCF of 168 and 126. So directly you can see here the questions are really so simple. This is the basic thing. HCF by prime factorization or Euclid, they had not told, only they need answer. So these are the basic things they had asked you. You can see empirical relationship, simple questions they had asked, easy questions. You can see only 2 or 3 questions are this all prime factors of product. Question 4, question 5 probability, simple. You can see zeros of this quadratic, 1 mark. If you will go see questions in standard paper, the questions are more means you can say more difficult than this. Everything is so simple in this. I will tell you, look here how only 3 time intersecting, so 3 zeros for this graph. Or these questions are really so simple. It means for basic means students, if they are weak and they have selected basic, yes they can score good in basic. I think only few questions, this all are simple. You can see this multiplication, but you need to look at for trigonometry they had asked more questions, and this is or these are also simple, but here though you have to do practice of simple questions from other reference books for trigonometry, because for trigonometry they had asked questions from outside, simple questions, but that are also from outside. All other questions I can tell you that these all questions are in your NCERT textbook. Look here, these all questions are in your NCERT textbook only. They had tried to give you direct question from NCERT. They had not even changed the questions also or the numbers of the question. For only for this is also this, you can say these are also 24th question chapter trigonometry. These questions are also from textbook only. You can see 25th question for 3 mark. Find the area of circle whose circumference is 22. I think for standard paper this question is of only 1 mark, but here they had asked this question 25 for 3 marks. So this all things are so simple. You can see question 26 also. Only few questions let me tell you go here. Yes, 29th one. This is little bit difficult, but yes this is of textbook only, but this is little bit difficult I can say. Otherwise all questions are so simple. trigonometry question, you can see this. They had asked more question from trigonometry, but these questions are in your textbook only. Look here, everything from textbook. They had not even changed the figure also. You can see directly they had selected this figure from the textbook only. So really I feel the basic question paper is really so easy. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel.